see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ay, very good, Baba! Ano na, magtatanghali na. Iniinit ko lang yung lechon sa oven. Kasi yung mga bata, gustong... You wanna eat?
Yeah.
Then, alis kami maya-maya. Ah, don't! Alis kami mamaya. Punta kami dun sa kaibigan niya. Siguro mag-hangout. Wala akong tulog.
A picture here.
Oh, very good, Baba.
A picture here.
Say, hi guys, Happy New Year. And then, nagluto rin ako ng rice kasi si Sak at si TJ gusto raw nilang plain rice. Yung lechon nasa oven. Ha? Yeah. So, asikasuhin ko muna yung table kasi wala. Dinagay ko sila lahat sa sa ref. Sila. Yung mga, mga linuto ko kagabi. So, ayan, wala yung laman. Walang nakalagay dyan. Ayan yung, kumukulo na yung kanin. So, ilalabas ko mga to. Wait lang. So, eto yung leche flan. Ilalagay ko na siya. Ha? Happy New Year na. Memorize siya na agad. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya kanina magsabi siyang Happy New Year. Ayan, ito yung leche flan. Ilalagay ko tong isa dito. Ito, dito lang muna siya kasi hindi pa naman yan makakain. Ayan. Baba, close the door because the fly.
Baba, the flies.
Yeah. Marami na kasing langaw kasi summer na ngayon. Bilisan mo, ha? So, ilagay ko lang muna tong leche flan dito. And the moment of truth. Oh. Dadan! Wow! Honey, look! Look at my leche flan. Looking good. Hi! Huh?
Zach, stop picking them off the tree.
That's right. No, it's not ready yet.
Not ready.
No. Kumukuha na siya ng peach.
They're not ready, mate.
Nandun siya talaga.
They're not.
It's hot. How you gonna?
Hot.
Well, it's hot. It's Oh my God, sinasayang nila yung Talk, ha? Di ba nag-aasikaso ako ng food? Ito, nakita namin, nandyan siya sa taas. That's right. Stop, ha?
Zach, like throwing some off them.
No, Zach. Ika, ha? Tingnan mo yung niya, oh. Yan ang ginamit niya para makaakyat na.
Some birds are up there eating them.
Yeah, well,
Like last year.
Ayan, ang dami niyang oh, Zachary.
hurry up.
Pagalitan. Don't do that again, ha? Ayan, naghihintay na sila. Baba! Iniinit ko pa kasi yung lechon.
I like that cake.
Huh? You like that cake? Si Holly. Wait, ha? si Janja kasi Zako. Happy birthday to you! It's not your birthday, Baba. It's not Dad's birthday.
Feels like.
This is our New Year.
Feels like Dad's birthday.
Good.
His birthday. Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, that was what your birthday. No, it isn't.
Oh, no,
Okay.
no candles.
No candles, Baba.
You want
It's
that?
not.
That cheap one?
Salad. You like freaking salad? No,
Come on.
I'm gonna eat some lemon.
Oh, yeah.
I want to eat lemon.
Right.
Salad. Dad, that's good.
I did
Wash
that.
your hands.
Have you washed your hands, everyone? No, got it.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Don't muck around in there.
It's pushing in the outside.
wash your hands like that. You do them dry.
That's what we did. That quick. Yep.
Baba, go sit next to Kuya T. Zachary.
No, I didn't want to wash.
Come over here, Papa.
Me, Dad. This is not your
Papa.
that's not just
Come here, Papa.
pots and seats. This is my pot. Dad, is this your chair? This is my chair. That's Zach's chair. That's Mum's chair. That's Holly's chair. Hi, can we tuck in turns being there?
No.
Nah.
That's just where you've grown up, mate.
What's that? Was that bigger? Dad, remember once when Zach was eating tea, you fell asleep there?
Yeah.
Where? And I didn't want.
What? No.
Thursday?
Tomorrow.
Get me one. Thursday. 11.
That's Wednesday tomorrow.
I'm saying
No, yeah.
Thursday. Dad, you're going fishing Thursday. It's Dad, you're going fishing Thursday.
No.
You want some more? Try this one. Dad, let's go to the
Bye.
beach. Mom, watch!
What are you doing?
Eat,
Eat it, Papa.
eat it.
Eat it.
Dad, when we go to the beach, bring my surfy. Surf me.
Strawberry.
My favorite.
Hot, mate.
It's hot. Huh?
My favorite. Birthday. Holly's birthday
Bye,
is in September. And I'll be
Yes, coming.
I'm on my 6th. Oh.
Yeah.
My birthday, my 6th. Big.
Wait.
Look at all the flies there. Look, it smell the food. Don't open the door, kids.
I fly.
Right in.
Baba. Well, you're welcome. What?
That's lemon.
That's
You're not having that.
That's me.
String.
Huh?
String.
I'm having this.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Huh?
Is that cool belly? Is that
Wait.
cool belly? Is that cool? Yeah.
It's my.
Happy birthday to me.
It's not birthday, Bob.
Hey, look. Dad, hold. No, put it on your head, you. Was that balancing? It didn't balance.
Don't balance. Come on, Kuya. I'll get you spaghetti.
Hey, look.
Don't put your plate.
Yeah,
What's wrong with your arms again?
That's still sore.
Mom, this is mine. Mom, it's nearly your birthday. Hey, it was late.
Wala.
Very 21. Jappy Joppa Joppa.
You want spaghetti? Can I have the spoon, please, huh?
Tap this. Poor belly. My poor belly. Last was washed. Can I have poor belly? I mean, I will wash my out.
No, I'm having
You want rice?
That's enough.
Give us some mints for you.
What's the hot dog?
Okay. Init ko muna to.
Hey, what now?
Daddy, not poo chocolate.
Oh, what?
Where is that? I might give it to you. I don't know. I got mint. I know I didn't get it. I didn't have poo chocolate. Did I? Yeah. Did Hunter? No, he didn't have it. Why? He doesn't want it.
Okay, I have to cut the
No.
Belly John.
Belly John! Belly John! Can someone give me some rice? Where did your body big fights? What are your body big fights? Oh, what's that?
Oh, this is the cooking twine.
Can I have some new chocolate?
Yes. Oh, your spaghetti.
With spaghetti! No. burned.
No, it's already here. I put it in the oven again.
Yuck!
Wow.
What's that from? Where do you eat all the little ones?
Baba, upo.
No, where you got the little plates of glass? Want to have some crunchy? Oh, I'm just having crunchy. Yum. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Blah. I don't move it later.
Huh?
I don't move that later.
Yeah. Yan.
Why you just want a video for?
Maybe wrong.
Huh? What?
Huh?
Why do you like video for?
Because that's
Those
for...
poverty shows and Mama Mary
Yeah.
your video all the time.
No.
Well,
So Lola and Mama can, Papa and Mama can see this. What we having for New
no,
Year?
are you a full Filipino?
Yes, I am pure.
I'm a
Filipino.
half Filipino.
Yes,
And Dad is Australian.
very good.
No, you're half Australian. And we're
No, I'm not.
Australian. Are we?
Yeah, you are Australian, but half Filipino.
Yeah.
Si Jan kasi ayaw niya
And
yung
Dad's
mga...
only Australian.
Yan, kasi si, inalis ko
Are
to
you
kasi si Jan
Australian?
ayaw niya yung mga dahon-dahon.
Or half
Do you want some, Han?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Dad little tiny half Filipino? Is he?
No.
Then how come he went to the Philippines before? Huh?
To visit my mama and papa.
How many sleeps he had? One?
Where?
At the Philippines. Do we have sleepovers there?
Tingnan niya, oh. Ayan.
I want some.
Napaka-juicy niya sa loob. Okay.
I want some.
Yes,
Down
wait.
on the little horse. No, this how it started. Dashing to the snow, dashing to the rain, dashing from the rain.
Ano, Han?
Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle.
Tingnan niyo, oh. Napaka-juicy niya, oh.
Can you hurry up because I'm hungry? I have nothing on my plate yet.
Nari-
Jingle bell,
Naririnig niyo si Sa?
jingle.
Yes, okay, wait. Yeah, here. I gave you.
Chicken and that and
That's why I told you be careful.
and that.
Yeah.
Can I have some more crunchy?
No, that's it.
No, just put chicken crunchy.
This is not chicken.
And pork.
Ay, lala. The gunting.
Someone give me a spoon, please. And what?
What do you want?
Because Dad got me crunchy.
Okay, very good. You want the meat hack? It's nice. Here, come on. Oh, give Holly for Holly. I give you some, Baba. Here's yours, Baba.
Pork, please.
Huh?
Pork.
Pork. You got more pork there.
I said pork.
Pork. Ah, okay.
We're all dead in them. Right here. Sherry.
So more now.
Tingnan mo
Ah,
siya.
one more.
See, Daddy has a magic like mommy when I turn my
Then
eyes.
more. Yeah, more.
Blue.
We'll do it now.
Huh?
Do it.
I don't have power now.
Every time you do
What do you
that,
want, Papa?
now you can.
Yeah.
Hey, Baba.
Hey, Papa. Ooh.
Hey, where's your spoon, Baba? Where's your spoon? Please.
One more, sir.
Yes, please. Here, Baba. What? Oh, please. I'm hungry.
No,
Come on. Is this from the pig?
huh?
This from the pig? Yeah, pig.
Oh, it's picking.
Is it nice, huh?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Mom, is that from the pig belly?
Yeah.
Dad, you can eat. Dad, you can eat a full pig. Dad, you can eat a full pig. Yeah. But you have to cook it. No, it's cooking with full.
You want salad, huh? Fruit salad?
Yeah. I'll probably that.
What? Leche flan.
Dad, you have that.
How's the food?
Good.
Like it? Get a small plate, hon. How are you, Baba? Is it good, Baba?
Yeah, good.
Very good. Yum yum. Very good. Pork. Very good, Baba. Ada yang itu kari Iza? Mami katik na. Oh, nice, honey. Here.
Oh, she's fine.
Alright. Oh, wow. I made it really good, babe.
Mommy, that has cheese in it.
How is it?
That one is good.
Good? Ang sarap ng ano kasi napaka smooth, right, huh? Very smooth. Yeah, it's nice rice, this one now.
How's that one?
What, this one?
Yeah.
Ah, come on, give me your plate. You too? Don't wipe on your clothes, Baba. Oh, you got on your clothes now. Let's hide it.
That's why.
That's all right.
Ha? Kalahati niya na yung leche flan. Oh, that's why I said that. Let me see. Nice. Ang ganda ng ano, pakagawa ko ng leche flan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kalahati na ni Jan. Ayan, oh. Oh, diba? Napaka-smooth. Oh, iyan ang gusto niyang leche flan. Ayan, kalahati niya na, oh. Yummy! Oh, honey. Oh, kuha pala ako. Lechon. Oh, it's really crunchy, boys.
What did you do?
Hi.
She loves to pick food from Saturay's plate.
You have some fruit salad after, Baba?
I'm having tea. I got food.
Yeah, you got food.
I'm down. That's a little squishy. Dad, I will not eat. Dad, I will not eat spaghetti.
What?
Because I like this.
What, the pork?
Yeah.
Baba, what are you doing? You want more pork? You want more pork, Baba?
No.
Are you finished?
No.
What are you doing?
Hey, I'm drinking at sword.
Don't open the door here because they fly. Hey, Baba,
I was going to get that black carrot drink.
Get the fruit salad out with that.
There's a spoon there, honey.
Can I get one black carrot drink?
Add that one back.
Oh, okay.
What's a black carrot?
Yeah, that one.
What's that, Matt?
That's a black carrot.
What's the one?
I have ice cream there, babe.
Ah, right.
I'm drinking. Richard, then give it back to me. No,
Let's Holly have a drink.
yours. You have to give it back to me, so I have to leave.
Give Holly two, please.
Please. It pops around.
Give it back to Kuya TJ, huh?
That's not yours.
Say Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Hoy, I watched the countdown last night, you know, the fireworks in Sydney. You know, last
Yeah,
time.
I seen it on the news
Oh, did you?
today.
Oh, good.
Sydney and Melbourne.
Here in Melbourne.
Yeah, it's at Melbourne. I've seen it. Fireworks near the tower.
Just in Melbourne.
Yeah. Wow!
Good there. Ay, ang sarap ng ano, fried rice, ha? You eat that rice, Baba.
Come on, bud.
Oh, thank you.
Dad, more rice, please.
Here's spaghetti, mate.
More rice, please.
Don't know.
One.
Save some for cake and sweets.
Yeah, you're gonna
No,
eat dessert.
no, no.
Nice, Zach.
Han, can I have a water, please? Wine na lang, Han.
Can some dessert, please?
Dessert. What? Are you done? What do you want? Leche flan?
No.
Fruit salad?
Yeah.
Daddy, can you...
What do you want?
My
Right?
daddy can.
This.
Yes, please. My muscato.
Cake.
Water.
Oh,
They
water
want
for now.
cake. Cake.
Some
Fruit salad. The mum.
What do you want, water, bud?
What's that?
Water.
Mommy.
Yeah. There you go, sweeties.
No, don't let my cold water. Cold water.
What are you looking for? For what?
Put over the water.
Other hand. Open the other cabinet here.
This one.
It's none. That one, open that cabinet.
That one.
The other one,
Oh, yeah,
sink.
I'm hungry.
It's in the bag.
What's dessert? What new? And after dessert, that.
What do you want? Pineapple pieces.
Where are you going now?
No, I'm going to get the water. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks, sweetie, for a beautiful lunch on this New Year's Day.
Dad, when you come back.
I'll just go fill the water up, get, what do you want? Pineapple pieces?
Yeah, the
And Dad.
top one.
And
Yeah.
Dad.
And
I don't like the, you know, the other one, like,
Dad.
oh,
want the chunk
When
one,
you
huh?
get back, we're going to the farm.
is it 1 o'clock already?
yes. 5 minutes to 1. Honey flat. Alis si John kasi.
Quick.
Yeah, I better go now because I'll...
Okay, see you, honey.
Say that, say we're going to go to the farm.
Yeah.
Yes. I have farm.
And you too?
Mommy, what's this? Yeah. Mom, what are they? Mommy,
Oh, that's
Jerry.
Finish your rice first and your pork, please.
Why they hate and I ate it all?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's go get some food. Mommy, can I get a small plate?
Okay. Bring your plate there.
Full of cake. Would you like a small one?
Mm-hmm.
Like those ones with butter knife? I'm gonna do it.
You want to cut the cake?
Can you take all of that down?
No, it's alright. Just that one. That side. Yeah.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Put it in the middle so you can steer it.
No, it's alright.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay. And then cut on the other side. Yes. Very good. So, ayan. Dessert na sila. Ako hindi pa. Rice pa rin. Good boy, kuya.
That's all?
Wala si Sok. Please? Can you cut some for,
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
I'll get some. I'll get my eye. Mom, please.
Ayan si Sak. Nakasalad na yan, ha? Oh, here's your plate, Zachary.
Small?
Baba! Here's Zach.
I love it.
That's Zachary. Can I have the knife so I can cut some for Holly, please?
I'm trying to take this out. Oh, there we go.
Baba, no, Baba. You're gonna ruin the cake. Akin na nak yung knife, please. Here's Holly. Okay. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Bucket.
Kid?
No, not free.
Grapes?
No.
Which one? You have to wash it though.
Huh?
You have to wash it. Which one?
Okay, wait.
Kind of siya ng fruits.
Mango.
No, that's for later because Daddy want mango shake.
That's me. That's me too. What is the hate? Oh, there's only
Yeah.
this.
Okay, wash it. And make sure you... No, you're not done. Ano?
I'm done.
You're full. No, you're not eating this one. Si gaya-gaya to.
You quit running the...
Oh,
What's the colour inside, red? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's...
I get ornament cake.
Huh?
Do you have another plate of cake? Please.
Yeah.
Oh, get off the seat.
No, you don't have. Why don't you bring the cake over there, Kuya TJ, please? Well done, Saki. Why don't you get a tea towel, Sak, or tissue paper? There. Can you get him, Kuya, please?
What?
Paper towel, please, for Zachary.
I'll get this first.
Okay.
Look.
Another cake para kay Kuya. A piece of cake. It's alright, Kuya. You don't have to...
This way, Bubs. Okay? Yeah.
Sisoko. Is it yum?
This cake's good. Okay, Bubs, go.
And I asked you to get me a paper towel for Zachary, please. Magki-cake ulit si Kuya. Thank you. What you gonna say, Zachary?
Thank you, welcome. What's it on?
I don't know. Here. Okay. Sige, nakain muna tayo. Ayan o, ang ganda ng... Ito ang gustong ano. Leche flan ni Jan.
Mom, I don't have to cut.
Yeah, it's already cut. Yan yung leche flan natin.
I'm having that chocolate. Thanks, Mom.
Huh?
After this, I'm having some chocolate.
What chocolate?
That one in there. Thanks, Mom. This food is really good. I ate everything.
I know. You like the food, Kuya? Ang dami niyang nakain. Dami nilang nakain.
Okay, what's that? Mom, you know this is my favorite?
The Ferrero one.
Yeah. Oh, now you're having straight?
Ayan, parang walang katapusan silang kumain. Ako, ayan, kakain pa.
No, I ate everything. I ate all my food. What's all these ones?
Tingnan niyo si Sak, pangalawa niya na.
Fun in it.
Si Kuya din, kumakain na rin. Are you eating?
Peach.
Peach. Paborito nila yung fruits. Lahat naman ng prutas, paborito nila. Tingnan niyo yung leche flan. Ganyan siya ka-smooth. Ayan, oh. Sarap! Sarap na sarap nito si John. Ayan, umiiyak siya, oh.
Pink.
Pink. Pero inuferan siya ng daddy niya ng... What you gonna have? What you gonna have?
Dupa-dupa.
Yeah. Oo. Alis kasi si Jan. Umalis siya kanina. Kumuha siya ng tubig. Ngayon, alis na naman siya. Pipikapin niya lang yung mga bata kasi...
For my food!
You're welcome.
Love you, boy.
Love you.
I see you when you come back.
Wait.
At the end,
Make you what?
some melon juice.
Mango shake.
Mango shake, boy.
Ayun kasi punta sila sa farm kasi nandyan na yung kuko ng mga baka. Kasi ready na silang ibenta. So yun. So come on, Baba. Ayan na si Huli, oh. Ayan siya, oh. What you have? So hindi na siya iyak kasi may supa-dupa na daw siya. Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Ay, nagbababay na siya kanina. Kiss daw, oh! Kiss daw! Hurry up! Kiss, hurry up! The fly! Okay, kiss Kuya Zach. Good girl. A little bit. Only a little bit. Yes. Okay, thank you. Say thank you. See you next. Tingnan mo tong batang to. Sabi ko, ba't ang tahimik niya? Nakatulog na po siya. Tingnan natin yung supa-dupa niya. Ay, na may stain yung ano niya na. Oh. Tulog na po siya. Ikaw bang walang tulog kagabi at kaninang madaling araw? Wawa naman ang baba namin. Tulog na siya. Oh. Iniwan kasi siya. Nasuhulan lang siya nito. Oh. Gising na po ang baby. And nandito na sila, Kuya. Yes.
Well, we were at the farm, then Hunter's horses and Chona's horses look like this. Then I ran in where the truck goes. Oh no!
How many cows altogether?
We had just put 10 of the other 3 cows because they're just new. Hey, look at me! Touch me, my dog!
10? Oh, that's
Dad,
too much.
put 10. Dad said put 10 in the truck and leave 3, then cut 1 up till winter.
Okay.
The fattest one.
Okay, yun na yung story ni Kuya.
It's real.
No, it's real.
My legs nice and smooth.
Is it nice and smooth?
Yeah. Feel it.
I don't want to. It's too sticky.
What is it?
Gawa ko ng mango shake. Kasi si Jan, andito na siya.
And me.
Si Kuya, si Sak tulog. Si Sak naman yung tulog ngayon. Ito lang, mangga, evaporated milk, tapos instead of sugar, condensed milk, and lots of ice. And ito, ilalagay ko to sa freezer kasi sobrang init. Masarap to pag frozen. So, ayan. So, gawa tayo ng mango shake. Tingnan nyo na naman itong mga bata. Kung nandito si Sak din, nandyan din yan si Sak. Ayan, nilalagay ko na dito sa aking Nutri-Bullet na, ito ba? Yan. And, oops, no, that's it, Baba. And evap. Ayan, maraming evaporated milk.
Uh-oh.
Si Jan, gustong-gusto niya yung mango shake ni Papa.
And me.
Yeah. And yan, gatas. Para yan na yung sugar, diba?
Well, I've
Napaka-healthy.
never seen you put ice in there.
Because you never watched me. So, ayan.
Well,
I-blend na natin siya. Right, Holly? So, ayan na. Ito muna kay Johnny Boy. You want ice? Kay Jan muna to. Tikman ko muna. Hindi ko pa tinikman kung okay yung tamis. Yeah. Okay na siya. Ayan na. Ang sarap. Bigyan na natin to kay my love. Han. Honey. You're welcome.
Put it down.
How is it? Good. Gawa pa akong isa para sa akin. And si Jan sabi niya, gusto niya pala. Ayun yung baso niya. More?
Still put a bit glad wrap.
Wow. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating second mango shake. Ito yung kay Jan. Lalagyan natin. And ito yung akin. So, yeah. So, yun na yung vlog for today. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Happy New Year! Enjoy ko na to. Andiyan na si John.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.